to shoot.
We gotta get up.
Huh?
Please get up.
What?
Cause I gotta show you something.
Show me.
Look what you made.
What is that?
We can make a slide from out of that.
A who?
A slide.
Oh, like a hill?
Yes, look. That's the part, and we can keep making it.
Well, how are we gonna do that? You trying to make a tunnel?
Oh, no. Yeah.
You want to make a tunnel? All right, so if we do this on the side, all right. How long you want to make it?
I don't care.
How far you want to go?
As far as right here.
Okay. Okay. We gotta keep building the size up, though.
I'm trying to, but all the snow is everywhere.
See.
Yeah. Hey.
Show everybody. So, here's where we are. Right here. Got a couple of sides. Got to build up a little bit. But see our little tunnel? There you go. Fall into that. Well, we got to build the sides up.
And I'm really holding ice inside my hand. I'm so happy that it snowed.
I bet. I said it's going to be a little dusting. All wrong.
I don't know why you kept saying that when like everybody in Uber kept saying that it was going to snow.
Everybody like who, your mama?
My mom, everybody in our family kept saying it's going to snow.
Not your grandma.
Because I never asked her.
Huh?
I never asked her.
Oh.
But she did know it was going to snow.
So, this is our tunnel. See the side there, and our hole. So what we doing, you said?
We're going to, run from all the way, from over here, and slide.
You going first?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to record her going first. Hold on. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. You thought you were going to make it from there to there.
I'm just kidding.
Girl, there's not ice. You got to go further than that and it's fall in it.
Okay, I'm just going to try again.
All right, go ahead. I'll follow you. Go.
5, 6.
You gonna make it there and then from there? Wow. For even thinking that. Let me show you. You gotta go dive in there.
Oh, I know what we're supposed to do.
What?
How about we put all the snow back?
What? Now you gotta put it back?
No, inside the home, because then we run all the way over there and then we dive.
From there to there.
No, I'm talking about something else.
What are you talking about then?
We put all the snow back, but then guess what?
What? I'm guessing.
We run and try to do a cannonball.
A cannonball? You're gonna hurt your bottom.
Oh, let me show you something.
Be over there.
Oh my God! Yes!